Welcome back friends, tuendelee na biochemistry, na ninatumai hichi ndicho kitakuwa kipindi cha mwisho kwenye lipids, na to discuss category ya mwisho ya lipids ambazo ni lipoids. Tumeshaangalia kuhusu simple lipids, tumeshaangalia kuhusu derived lipids au compound lipids, na tuangalie kipengele cha mwisho kuhusu lipoids. Kwa hiyo lipoids are those lipids which are obtained by hydrolysis of simple or compound lipids. They do not contain fatty acids. So hizi hapo unaweza hydrolyze simple au hydrolyze compound lipid ukapata fatty acids. Kwa unaweza kusema kwamba kwa mfano tukihydrolyze labda triglycerides tutapata glycerol na fatty acids. Yes, lakini kuna other simple lipids such as waxes ambazo pia ukihydrolyze unaweza kupata. And in this group, the lipoids include cholesterol, and cholesterol is one among the example. So we have some other derivatives of the cholesterol such as estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, which are commonly known as steroids. Kwa hiyo steroids is just like the category of lipoids. So now let's go to look in close about steroids. Kwamba they are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent, kama ambavyo ziko lipid zote. Mammalian liver synthesizes and secretes another group of amphiphilic lipid to bile acids. Kwa hiyo unakuta kwamba liver yenyewe pia inakuwa ina secrete vitu kama hivi ambavyo inafanana sana na steroid kwenye bile salts. Ndio maana huo kwenye bile mle ndani unasema huo kuna cholesterol. Au kama sio cholesterol kuna aina fulani ya fat ambayo inakuwepo mle ndani. Bile salts are number of large group of closely related lipids called steroids. Kwa hiyo bile salts zenyewe ni group kubwa la closely related lipids ambazo zinaitwa steroids. Steroid consists of cyclohexene and cyclopentene rings. All steroids contain a skeleton of carbon atoms organized into 4 rings. Kwa hiyo kama ambavyo unaweza kuona kwenye hiyo diagram hapo, unaweza kusema mimi sijasoma organic chemistry sawa, lakini hii hapa ndio ambayo tunaita cyclopentene, ikiwa hivi ina pembe 5. Hii hapa tunaita cyclopentene. Afu ikiwa na pembe 6 kama hii hapa ya jirani yake, huyu jirani yake hapa ni cyclohexene. Kwa hiyo hapo kama ambavyo unaweza kuona hapo, kuna cyclohexene nyingine iko hapa. Cyclohexene nyingine iko hapa. Lakini pia cyclohexene nyingine iko hapa. Kwa hiyo hii steroid zote zinakuwa kwanza zina skeleton hapa. Baada hapo unaweza kukuta blood group imejiattach hapo au pale. Kwa from there hapo unaanza count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hii sikutisha chochote. It's not must to know this order of number of carbon atoms. Because this is the skeleton of steroid containing 1 cyclopentene and 3 cyclohexene. So each steroid differ from the next in the location and the nature of attached side group, and often the location of the double bonds. The most abundant steroid in human is cholesterol. So cholesterol is one among the categories of steroid, and this is the most abundant steroid. So from cholesterol are synthesized the bile salt, vitamin D, and sex hormone. So now let's go to look about the cholesterol. So this is the structure of cholesterol. Na kama ambavyo unaweza kuona 3 cyclohexene and cyclopentene rings ziko. Ila kuna hydroxyl pale, kuna methyl pale, kuna hydroxyl, kuna methyl, kuna ring kuna attached group ile pale. So this is the structure of cholesterol and there is no need to claim it. So usikalili, unachotakiwa tu kuelewa ni kazi zake. Tukianza kudiscuss about the rules of steroids. Steroids are important components of bile acids such as cholic acid that form bile salt. Lakini pia they form sex hormones such as testosterone, estrogen and progesterone. Lakini they are important in synthesis of vitamin D and the important cardiac poison used in heart therapy. So cardiac poison manake ni kama zinatumika ni kama dawa hivi kutibu vitu fulani kwenye heart. Sasa for your level no need to understand these, but they are uses of steroids. Lakini tukija kwenye cholesterol specifically, it limits uncontrolled linkage of small molecules through the membrane, kwenye cell membrane. Lakini pia being constituents of myelin sheath, it helps to prevent outward flow of ions which would interfere with the movement of impulse along the nerve cell. Pia it regulates the fluidity of the membrane. Na it is used by liver to make bile salts which emulsify ingested fat, making the fat easier for digestion and absorption by the intestinal enzymes. Lakini ya tano, it is used to make steroid hormone in the testes and ovaries. Kama ambavyo unaweza kaiona hapo, this is the progesterone and this is the testosterone. Kwa hiyo hizo zote unaona pia zina ile steroid structure and they are made up from the cholesterol. Also, as you can see here, this is the structure of estrogen. So another last rule of cholesterol, it is involved in the formation of choline of neurotransmitter substance called acetylcholine. Kwa acetylcholine kwenye kile kipande cha choline kinakuwa kina cholesterol. Lakini excess cholesterol in the body, they have negative effect of excess cholesterol. First, sulfur cholesterol can be precipitated in the gallbladder leading to jaundice or yellow fever. And maybe excess cholesterol in the blood may be deposited in the wall of the blood vessels, which reduce the diameter of the blood vessels. This may have some of the effects, and one among the effects is high blood pressure, vascular clot, or stroke if the blood vessel supplying the brain are blocked. So if the blood vessel is supplying blood to brain, they are blocked, somebody can get stroke or vascular clot if the diameter of the blood vessels is decreased. So let's end up here. In the next video, we will continue with the protein. For any question about lipids, any question about carbohydrate, just comment or join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below, and you can join my Telegram group. There you may find my contacts, and you may find me even in a Telegram or in WhatsApp, and you may find even these notes in the Telegram group. So just join my Telegram group for more discussions and for more and more things, and you will be very close to me. You may ask me different questions, and I may answer you to any extent that you want. So subscribe to the channel, share the video to your friends so that they can lead these topics in a very simple way like this. Thank you everybody, and let me wish you nice studies.